Hey guys, it's Crystal and I'm back again today to do my favorite date night fragrances. Okay, I know you guys are thinking, where are we going, Crystal? It's the whole panorama. We've been on lockdown for like over a year, girl. Well, love doesn't stop. Getting to know people don't stop. Getting a bae, getting husband, with your boyfriend does not stop because we're in the panorama. The only thing is you gotta be a little more creative. But whilst you're being creative and figuring out things to do in this new environment that we're in, I'm going to give you some date night hitters, okay? These are beautiful, feminine, alluring. Most men love sweet scents, girly scents, sugary scents, but we here to change their palate a little. We're going to keep it sweet and girly and beautiful. However, we are not going to do the little Bath and Body Works and whatnot. We up in the game, we up in the ante. So let's get into what I consider great date night scents. Continue watching. Okay, first date night. Okay, I'm going to rank this in what I would consider for each date. So this is Dior's Hypnotic Poison. This would be great for a date night. First of all, it contains coconut, plum, some jasmine, sandalwood, vanilla. This is a great first date night scent. Okay, you're getting to know him, you're trying to decide if you like him, you're seeing if you guys vibe, if you guys talk good, if he's someone you could potentially see yourself going out with again, if you want to get to know him. You will put this on, you will smell ultra feminine, girly, it's soft, it's gentle, you're not doing too much, but you're still going to stay in his mind because there's something about this that's alluring. There's something about this that draws him in. There's something hypnotic about it, literally. If he's a buster and he turns out to be whack, you're not going to be too mad. The price range for this is pretty moderate, so you're not going to be too mad. You're going to be good. You know, you're going to stay in his dreams, but it's good. It's nice. This would be great for a first date night. Hypnotic Poison by Dior. Second date night. What should you wear? Okay. Mugler. Mugler's Muse. That's a good second date wear. This contains pink pepper, grapefruit, hazelnut, patchouli. You're upping the ante now. So the first one, you played coy. You played delicate. You played, I'm just getting to know you. This one, you're like, I like you. I like you a little bit. I want to get to know more. I'm out here on a second date with you. We're vibing. The conversation's decent. Now, we're getting towards the seduce, okay? Because this is edible. It's yummy. There's that hazelnut that he's not going to be able to forget. Still sweet. Still very feminine. Not doing too much, but letting him know, I like you. I want to get to know you more. The first date was good. We were vibing. The second date, let's see now. I'm interested. My interest is piqued. This is good because this is just cozy. It's beautiful. So again, I don't know what a second date night's going to look like in this panorama, but I don't know if you guys are at the coffee shop, if you guys are doing a car meet, if you guys are still doing a lunch or a dinner. He's not at your house yet. He don't know where you live, but definitely you're in a little closer quarters than before. You're a little more comfortable, and you want to stick in his mind. So this is going to linger. This is going to linger in his car. It's going to linger around, but not too much. You know, he's got a little bit of you, but not too much now. This is good. This is a good second date, okay? You still got your sweaters on. He still can't see the body yaddy, but you guys like each other now. We're getting to know each other. That's what this is for. Muse by Mugler. Now, y'all on the third date now, okay? So you decided you like Tyrone. Okay, you want to get to know Tyrone. The conversation's been good. You guys have been texting back and forth. He's been consistent. You guys have now stepped it up. Okay, so now, Baccarat Rouge. Okay, this is saffron, jasmine, some cedar. You letting him know you ain't playing around. Okay, you letting him know you is a woman, not no little girl. You're a woman with this. Now, you're going to stay in his memories. You're going to stay in his dreams. You don't even know if you're going to stay in his nightmares at this point. Because this is alluring. There's something that's a little seductive about it. There's something that he's going to keep. Okay. She's that girl. Okay, she's bossy, she's intelligent, the conversation's right, she's holding down that job, she's making that money. He's gonna think about what he could see with you. This is the third to fourth date, fifth date, where he could see a future with you type of perfume now. He's thinking about it like she could be my girl, you know, because she's that girl. I could smell it on her. I smell the drive. I smell the ambition. I smell the confidence. That's what Baccarat's saying. So you don't go spray this on for no first, second date. No, he don't need that. He don't need that. Because you're not even sure about him yet. But this is when you're like, oh, Tyrone. When he texts you and you're giggling. That's that. And you're, I want to get to know him more. I can see something. That's when you put the Baccarat on. This is seduce and destroy. That's what this is, okay? So don't be putting this on unless you're sure now. You know, he's giving you the vibes. He's staying consistent. That's what this is for. You about to capture him. Let me get into it. This is now, you guys have been going out. You're now basically his woman, okay? You his girl. But he's now thinking this through, okay? This is MFK's gentle fluidity. Now, on me, it's it's feminine, like the ultra level of feminine. This is a woman. This is a little vanilla. There's some musk. This is woody notes, nutmeg, coriander. Not too overpowering. It's medium. It's not heavy. It's not light, but it's just right, okay? This is when he's looking at you like you're Claire Huxtable, okay? He's thinking, I could bring her home to mom and dad. Me and her gotta plan vacations. Should I move in with her? She's that girl. I could see it. I envision it. That's my woman. This is what this is. This is the Claire Huxtable of the bunch, okay? This is letting him know your wife, okay, material. This is letting him know he could take you anywhere. You won't act up. You gonna be his left hand woman. This is letting him know. So this you don't put on for no first, second date again, okay? You put it on for when he's your man. You know, you could call him. He's gonna come help you do stuff around the house. He's at your house. He got a drawer at your apartment, in your home, okay? This is that. So those are those date nights. You guys are actually been dating. He's been showing you he's interested. You're out, okay? You guys are going to dinners. You guys are planning activities. You're comfortable. He's seen you looking a mess by now. But he's like, this is Claire. This is Claire Huxtable of it all. So this is great for those type of date nights. Those date nights where you're doing something nice, you're doing something where you guys are comfortable, the laughter's there, the conversation's there, the vibe is already been set because you've been knowing each other. Gentle Fluidity by MFK. My last one now. This is husband, okay? This is that man, he's your fiance, he's your husband, you're in love, you're just re-sparking the spark that's been there, you know. You're out here with him. That's your ride or die. Alright? Kilian's rolling in love. Okay. The day I put this on for a man, I love him. Okay, I don't just like him. He ain't just, I'm not sure. He's not just big. Like, he's my man. Okay, I'm gonna die for him. Okay, not really. Where are we riding to? Where are we dying to? But he's your man. Okay, this is Vanilla Musk. It's so intoxicating for me. It is alluring. It's ultra feminine, very girly, like woman. Okay, you're gonna get tired of me saying that, but a woman. This is, I'm crazy in love. I just want to be wrapped in your arms. We're walking, we're smiling, we're laughing, we're just enjoying our love. Okay, this is beautiful. This you can't put this on no first date business. You can't get this because first of all, it's pricey. Second of all, you'd be doing too much too soon. But this is for when you're in love. This is, you guys are in love. You're in love. It's love. Okay? Beautiful scent. Absolutely stunning. Great for like an anniversary night, an anniversary trip, a special occasion. You're dressed up. You know, one of those nights. Whenever those come back. But this is Kilian's Rolling in Love. Okay, ladies? Get into it. Alright, so I've gone over date night fragrances, what I deem is my top 5 on 5. If you have suggestions below, what do you wear on your date nights? What have you been doing? What's the heavy hitter for you? What does your man love on you? That's what I want to know. Okay, let me get him in. Okay, Informed Crystal. Leave those down below. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me anything that's on your brain regarding love and this panorama and this dating scene. Okay, I thank you guys once again for watching. I'd like you to go ahead and rate and subscribe my videos.